So this is a camping ground that Tina discovered. We're gonna come here every year. This is a river called Chiwawa, I think.
From the axe?
Look at how pretty it is.
Oh, I have some too from the shop in
Say hi, guys. It's a lovely campground. I know. I got white legs. Don't hate.
You're like, don't hate.
I'm not hating. Welcome to the rig, brother.
Hello. Look at this.
You having fun, girl?
Yeah, of course.
This is the dopest part of the trip so far. Just relaxing in the sunshine.
Not doing shit. We actually made it and can enjoy a day.
Yeah.
You guys sure you want to go?
Not for a while. I'm too hungover to go anywhere. We just don't have food to stay, honestly. I'd probably be down to stay now that we're here, but we didn't bring enough food.
Where's the dogs? Hey, Sydney.
Well,
What are you doing,
there's a
Sydney?
store not too far from here.
Where's
I
Bella?
have to go in town at some point. Bella's right here.
Oh,
She's incognito.
Bella.
Yeah, I can't
Bella. What you doing?
Hey, Bella.
Mama.
Hey.
What's up, girl? What's
All the
cracking?
girls.
Hey, Sydney.
Up in here. Hey, Mama. Look at you.
Yeah.
Girl.
You like my throw up, huh?
Ew. Yeah, she ate puke this morning.
You little puke eater. You're cute, though.
And she pooped in the tent.
I know.
You
She's
tit
nasty.
There's so
You puke-eating tit
I
shitter.
try to it smells like shit right by the head of where they're at.